friend.
ये सब भैंसे. Hello guys, welcome back to our new video. तो आज है Thursday and we are going to a waterfall which is at Mangeli. I have with me Ashwin, then this mental अक्षता. तो इन दिनों हमने देखा है कि हमारे vlogs आ रहे हैं. Even Akshata is uploading, you know, very frequently.
Guys, please subscribe to my channel as well.
हाँ यही
It is ms.akshata. So go ahead and subscribe to my channel and like my videos as well.
Yes. Same thing I wanted to say. And one more thing, guys, please follow this guy on Instagram because he'll be making cool reels over there. The ID I'll put in the description and even on the screen. We have reached Doda Mark, Papu's place. If you know, you know.
So it's on the border of Maharashtra and Goa. Well-known place for shopping of vegetables. Yes, and yes, you'll find very good decorations for Ganesh also over here. Hey, friend.
Akshata. Hey guys, check out Akshata's friends. ये सब भैंसे. Time to climb this mountain, guys. आज ये लड़की तो व्लॉग नहीं करने देगी, बट जस्ट लुक एट दिस. ऑलमोस्ट देयर, राइट? मोर 5 minutes. 5 minutes more and we'll reach the waterfall. But before that, just check this out. Wow. So now we have reached, just parked our car and now it's time to walk towards the waterfall. And one thing is good traveling during working days is that, you know, the crowd is very less and there's no rush. This is the waterfall, guys, but I don't know if we are going on top or not. What do you think?
I don't think we should go on top because we're already hungry. It's already lunch time. It's already 2 o'clock and there's a place to hawk something. Let's hawk some food and then we can decide if we have to go on top or not.
Akshata, what do you think? We should go on top?
Yes.
Alright, let's see. This is our full station for today. And as usual, Akshata is busy fooling people around. We're done with the food and we are heading back towards the car. There it started raining again. So there's the waterfall, but we are not going there because this I cannot walk.
And on top of that, it's rain.
So अगर आपको आज का ये मस्ती भरा व्लॉग अच्छा लगा है तो you know what to do. There is a red button down there. Just go and press it. Subscribe to my channel. Like this video and share it with all your enthusiast friends. And thank you for watching.